Hi, it's Peter here from Coachwood Nursery and Organics. I'm here to show you how to process thyme. Thyme is a wonderful herb. It's one that we all know quite commonly. It's a very tasty herb in Mediterranean or Italian style dishes, but it's a very good healthy herb as well. It's an excellent one for antifungal, antibacterial. You can make an oil out of it and rub it on your skin, or have it in an inhaler and inhale it. It's very good for your lungs. And we've got some here that I've dried for about a week, and it's just been dried in a semi-shaded spot, harvested, dried, put onto a rack, and when you get it, once it's dried, you can grab it like this, grab bunches of it. You can either strip the leaves off the stems like this, or if you've got a lot of it to process like I have here, I just rub it between my fingers into a bowl. All the leaves come off if it's dry enough, and you'll know if it's dry enough because it doesn't feel spongy. It's quite brittle. And the stems that are left like that, you can just discard them, keep the leaves inside, and then we just put them into a glass jar, and we can store them at room temperature for a year or more. And you can also make an infused oil, which I can show you more about that later. So thyme, wonderful herb, very useful to have, easy to grow. And if you want to learn more about thyme or other things that we do here at Coachwood Nursery, you can book garden tours and open days on the website coachwoodnursery.com, or you can come to the Harvest Festival, which is on the June long weekend, and we hope to see you there. Thank you.